It's Nate here. Welcome to our weekly report for our investment portfolio on eToro, where you can see we've been investing now just over 4 years, entering into our 5th year. But it is December 7th, 2024, and here's our report for the current week, the week that just has been, the first full week of December. We saw a good week entering into December. After Thanksgiving and everything, we saw a gain of 1.71%, and that's showing for the month of December, but it's just been that first week, which is so far the whole month of December. So that's why I can use this stat here, 1.71% for the first week in December. And we're seeing a 28.61% year to date. So it's been a good year so far. We've got just about 3 weeks or so left, hoping we can cross that 30% to make it our best year on eToro in our investing. But you can see what the year's been like so far, and it's been a good year. This is our risk score. We're currently sitting at a 4, and you can see that we normally sit between a 3 and a 5 risk score. We've currently got 13 copiers, and I want to thank and welcome the new copiers that have joined my portfolio on eToro just in this past week. We've just entered the champion status there, and that's why our star is now a red one and not a blue one. So thank you to everyone who's done that and joined. And just some more statistics here and stats from our portfolio. We're sitting currently 64.81% profitable weeks for our portfolio, and you can see here our portfolio where it's sitting. We hold 3 ETFs in our portfolio. Very simple structure at the moment of VTI, which is Vanguard's total US market, VUG, which is Vanguard's growth ETF, and VOO, which tracks the S&P 500. That's where we put our kids' college fund. I had someone comment and question as to why these percentages were low. It's because it's just been recent that we moved all our funds into these positions. If you want to know about our strategy, comment in this video. I've got a video coming out shortly, actually, as we go into 2025, what our strategy is and how we work. But this is kind of our foundation that we will come back to from time to time and build our portfolio from this foundation. So that's why these percentages look, a little smaller than what you may think. It's because we, not too long ago, probably 5-6 weeks ago, moved our positions into, maybe a little bit longer, but moved our positions into 100% of our positions into these three instruments. But that's where we're sitting as of December 7th, 2024. Follow along, subscribe if you haven't already. My name's Nate. Love to have you join me on eToro. Join me on YouTube, on TikTok, different socials, and we'll see you in the next video.